Welcome once again, P1, boys and girls. Miss Betty Kani, your teacher of English. I'm back for the next lesson. As usual, we are going to start with our activity I left. That one is called corrections. We are going to do the corrections. It's better if you did the work to start with the corrections so that we can move together, my friends. Not so? Yes. Now what do we do? First open your books. First open your books and we cross-check the answers if they are matching with mine. Open your books. I want you to be good learners. And we do the corrections first. So our number one was to rewrite the following words correctly. I jumbled the words. So if you're reading, you can't say would. No. The correct word is here. The correct word is hurt. Have you seen it? Now you can even spell it. H-U-T. The second jumbled word is here. House. That one. Now the correct one is here. So the correct word, can you read the correct word? Yes. House, and spell house. H-O-U-S-E. Good. C is here, jumbled also, and you are supposed to write the correct word as kitchen. Kitchen. And can you spell kitchen now? K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Good. Then another jumbled word is here. Let's toy. Do we say like that? No. This is the right word. It comes from the jumbled one, yes? Let's spell toilet. T-O-I-L-E-T. That was our number one, my friends. Now we have also number two. Let's go to number two. There comes number two. Number two, I requested you to rearrange these words in ABC order. Remember, I taught you ABC order. So we have, let's read, hurt, garage, shed. Look at the first letter. According to ABC order, which one comes first? Someone has already told me. Garage is the first. Another one, yes. Hurt, another one, yes. Shed. Thank you. So you are supposed to arrange, even these ones are jumbled. We want to put them in ABC order. So which one came first? Yes, someone has said house. Then another one, kennel and latrine. This is the vocabulary we did. Yes? Now, get prepared. Close the books. Close the books. Maybe you're tired of sitting. You can stand up and try to relax your muscles, relax your brain, so that we can get ready for another English lesson. Yes, that is enough. You can now sit and settle. Be good. Yes, now we are going to have a new lesson. This new lesson is about, now we've finished the buildings. So we are going to look at things. We are going to look at things. Which things are in our homes? There are very many things in our homes. One, I expect you to know the things in our homes, to spell them, and again to use them in sentences. Because at the end of all, I'm going to give you a structure to construct, either to answer or to construct. So when we are discussing, pay attention. So today's vocabulary is about things in our home. Check around your homes there and see. Whatever you see in your home, wherever you're sitting, in every room there are different things. So can you sort out those things and you learn their names and you tell me, teacher, in our home we have this, in our home we have that. Yes, someone has already told me. Now, let us cross-check and see with mine. I also have things in my home. So I said you should be able to name the things in our home. You should be able to spell and read the words correctly. We shall have some words, remember. You should be able to use the structure pattern. I'm going to give you a structural pattern. Is this a dash? Then we are going to say yes, comma, it is, or no, comma, it is not. So this is what we are going to study today. Now leave whatever you're doing and we learn the vocabulary so that we can be good learners. Can you close the books and you sit upright? So these are the things I have in my home. You're going to cross-check with yours because I've told you to look around and see what is in your home and you make a list. I have also made a list of what is in my home. We compare, you'll be ticking what Miss Betty has and what you have. Then we look at the spellings of those things you have and what I have. Yes. So these are the things I have in my home. I told you to make your list. Let me hope it is matching with mine. So I have a plate. I don't have only one. When it is one, we say plate. When they are many, we call them plates. Here, you just put S. Now, plate. Do you know the plate? How do we use it? Yes, we use it when you're eating food. They put food on the plate. Not in the saucepan, from the saucepan on the plate. Then you start eating. So we have a plate. Let's spell plate. P-L-A-T-E, simple. When it is one, it's a plate. When they are many, we call them plates. Do you have a cup in your list? I also have a cup for drinking. You have to, if you want to drink tea, you have to drink juice, you can use a cup there. So can we spell cup together? C-U-P, cup. If it is one, it's a cup. Many are cups. You just put S, my good friends. Then saucepan. You also have a saucepan? Check in your list. Check in your house. Do you have a saucepan? For me, I have a saucepan. I have saucepans. You just put S. If they are many like mine, we call them saucepans. Let's spell saucepans together. S-A-U-C-E-P-A-N. Yes, saucepan. Hey, another thing I have is a jug. Say jug. J-U-G, jug. Do you also have a jug? If there are many, you just put S and you call them jugs. Yes, you can put there your water, you can put your juice, whatever you want in that jug, porridge, yes. Then you keep on taking little by little. Then do you have a dish? Dish, check around in your kitchen. Do you have a dish? Let's spell dish together. D-I-S-H. What else do you have there on the list? For me, I have a mortar. So mortar, we are going to correct the spelling. I wanted to guess who knows the spelling. The correct spelling is M-O-R-T-A-R. Now, we have that one which shows the time. Mine is there. Clock. Clock. Do you have also a clock at home, in your house, in your sitting room? Check and see if you have a clock. Yes. And what's your work? It tells, if you want to check on the time, you go and check on the clock. It's the clock which shows time. Yes, the clock shows time or tells time. Then other things like for cutting, do you have a knife there? Knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. If there are many, you remove this F-E, you put V-E-S, and you call them knives. Yes, check on your list. Then we have that good one where you sleep and you feel comfortable, very soft mattress. Mattress. Do you have a mattress in your bedroom? Let's spell mattress. M-A-T-T-R-E-S-S, mattress, where you sleep and you feel, oh, wow, wonderful, very soft and you enjoy. Then we have the charcoal stove. Charcoal stove where you put charcoal if you want to do the cooking, put charcoal, then it lights and put your food on top and you prepare and eat. But for you are still young, I don't advise you to do the cooking when mommy is not there or aunt is not there. It is dangerous. You remember fire burns. So I don't expect you to do the cooking so much. only when you're guided with a parent. Then we have another one, cooker, where you cook. It's a machine for cooking food. If you have it, it cooks very fast. Now, these things are in our homes. Is it true? Yes, someone has said, yes. That's good. We have them in our homes. Now, what else? We are supposed to learn the spellings. We've spelled. Now we are supposed to pronounce them correctly. Then we are going to construct some sentences. Now, before we construct the sentences, I have this. What is this? Yes, it is a book. Yes, it is a book. So you can say that is a book or this is a book. These are the things we have at home. We have them at home. Now, we are going to have a structure. We are going to have a structure in the next year. It is this a dash? Like I have my picture here. Is this a dash? I can put here. I can put this object here and I say, is this a knife? It's a question. If it is a knife, you can say, yes, comma, it is. If it's not, you say, no, comma, it is not. For example, I can say, is this a duster? What are you supposed to say? Is this a duster? Someone has already answered yes. Don't say yes. You're supposed to say, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Or you can say, yes, it is a duster. Now, I can even change and I say, is this bread? Is this bread? Then you can say, if it is not, is this bread? No. No, it is not. No, it is not bread. This is what we call structure. We are teaching how to answer in full sentences. If you are asked a question, don't just give one answer. Yes, what is this? Duster. It's wrong in English. You say, that is a duster. That's the proper way of communication. Now, we are back here. Is this a knife? Can you answer me? Someone has already answered. Is this a knife? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That's the right answer. Another one is here. You look at the whole picture. So, is this a cup? Really? When you observe, is this a cup? If it's no, it's not a cup. So you can say, no. No, it is not. No, it is not. Or you can say, no, it is not a cup. That's how we answer in full sentences. It's like the examples I've been giving, like, is this a pot? If it's not a pot, really, is this a pot? No, it is not a pot. Is this a ruler? Yes, it is. Or you can say, yes, it is a ruler. Is this a desk? Yes, it is. Now, I can change and I say, is this a mat? No, it is not. No, it is not. Or you can say, no, it is not a mat. Or I can ask, is this a newspaper? Is this a newspaper? Then you say, yes, it is. Or you can say, yes, it is a newspaper. Then what if I say, is this a cupboard? Is this a cupboard? Really, is this a cupboard? No, it is not. Or you can say, no, it is not a cupboard. So that is what we call answering correctly in full sentences. Remember, you are supposed to say no with capital N Then you put a comma here and you say this is a small I. You dot it. No, it is not. When it is no, it maintains, no maintains the not. If you say no, you have to say not. No, it is not. If it is yes, yes, it is. That's why I say it is very easy to construct the correct sentences. Now, other examples, I've just given them to you. So just get ready. I'm going to give you a very simple activity about the things in our homes, and you do for me some simple exercise here, and you write it properly. Remember to do very good work. The activity is here. Change the following to plural form. I did not teach plural, but the previous lessons were about plural. That's why, according to this vocabulary, you're supposed to change it for me. Change the following to plural form. One is here, then many there. We have dish, write for me the plural. Plate, write for me the plural. Knife, write for me the plural. So this is the vocabulary we have learned today. That's number one. Our number two is there. Write in capital letters. Still concerning our vocabulary, write clock, saucepan, jug. Write in capital letters. Remember to be good learners and do good work. Write it properly. First, clean the place where you are going to work from. Thank you so much. Keep safe and remain good.